Something revolving, whatever may come, the world keeps revolving. They say the next big thing is here, that the revolution's near. But to me it seems quite clear that it's all just a bit of history repeated. Yeah. Shout, a new style is growing, but it don't know if it's coming or going. There's a passion, there's a fad, some is good, some is bad, and the joke is rather sad that it's all just a little bit of history repeated. I've seen it before. Yeah, just little bits of history repeated. Some people don't dance if they don't know who's singing. Why ask your head if your hips are swinging? That's for us to enjoy. Woman, man, girl and boy, feel the pain, feel the joy. Aside said little bits of history repeated. Get this room moving, y'all. Just little bits of history repeated. Yeah, and I've